Okay, boys and girls, we're going to have a quick look at the answers hub. See if there's anything there to answer. And a warm welcome to one and all. Each morning I come to the Discord, and the first thing I do is I check out to see if there's anything in the Answers Hub. And if you're unaware of what the Answers Hub is, it's a section in the Discord, which is here, where the guys ask a simple question, and rather than type it out, because I'm a bit lazy, I'll just come to camera and I'll answer it. Now, sometimes it's public, sometimes it's just kept behind closed doors. Now, this one is a good one from little Smiler there. Little salute to Smiler. I call him Smiler because he's the happiest bugger I've ever seen. And what he's saying is, trading during your holiday, do you still use sort of 5-minute charts, 15-minute charts as your trigger, as you can't micromanage it? Or do you move it up to an hour's trigger and the dominant direction and then monitor? It's quite a good question, that, because it's all the same, in fairness. Most of my trade ideas come from the 1 hour. So I ask binary questions at the top of each hour. So 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Is this trade ready to rock? Yes or no? And if it's no, I'll just wait till the next hour. If it's yes, I'll then look at it every 15 minutes. But when I'm on holiday, it's a slightly different scenario because I'm not really wanting to be in front of the screen, and I don't want to be in front of the screen that much anyway. And if you watch some of the videos, certainly the last ones I did on holiday, you'll see I look at the thing and make a decision, and I actually get up and walk away. I do that all the time. I don't want to be a slave to the machine. So the way I do it is this. There's a simple setup on an hourly chart. Each one of these levels is a key area for what's called bob, bounce or break. Because when the price comes here, it's either going to bounce it or it's going to break it. Now, if it breaks, I'm going to look to come to the next level. If it's bouncing, I'm going to look to get to either the middle or to the next level above. Why? Because the areas of value. You know, is it cheap? If it's cheap, I'm buying it up to the next level, certainly into the middle. And then if it's selling, or if I think it's over expensive, in other words, the value's too much, I'll sell it, and I'll do the same principle either into the middle or down into the next level. Very, very simple process. Now, the monitoring side of it is very simple. I can put a set and forget and just leave it on the level. Brilliant. Or what I'll do is I'll know roughly what the price is I'm looking for. I don't pay a lot of attention to price when I'm looking to build a trade up. But what I do is I'll look to see where the level is, 197.742, and then I'll just disappear off and I'll check that every 15 minutes. And then when it's ready, see if it triggers, or I'll move the order backwards and forwards, trail a candle, and that's it. Very, very simple process. You don't need to be a slave to the machine. You really don't. Top of the hour, binary question. Is it ready? Yes or no? If it's ready, brilliant, we're going to go. But what's it ready in relation to? Well, the first thing I do on a morning is I sit and I work out what the biases are. And when I work out what a double D is, now double D is the dominant direction, that'll last for a good 4 to 8 hours, normally across a session. And I always try to go in line with that double D. If I'm going against it, by definition, it becomes a scalp, and I'll be in and out really quick. And I'm not doing that on a phone. I'll do it while I'm sitting in front of a laptop or in front of my screen, as you see me here. And why? Because I can get in, I can get out, but I can see what's going on in the big picture. I won't trade off the phone. So that's that. So I hope that helps. And as always, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.